Food trucks can be a great entry into the restaurant business, serving as a test kitchen on wheels with a smaller investment than a brick-and-mortar shop. Starting a food truck business requires creativity, agility, and strategy. Here are the 10 essential steps. Start with your concept. Figure out what you can do well, from your food to your own personal flair, to create a bold food truck idea. Write a thorough business plan. You'll use this foundation to seek loans and woo potential investors. Build your branding and marketing strategy. Social media is especially important for food trucks. It's how people will find you. Use it to promote your truck, update where and when it will be around, partner with influencers, and share photos and videos of your food. Get your licenses, permits, and equipment. Do your research. There are federal, state, and local requirements when it comes to operating a food truck. You can rent or buy a food truck, and you can get it fully equipped or do it yourself. Either way, you'll want to be sure it's up to code on all federal and local regulations. Hire your staff and keep in mind that it's even tighter quarters than traditional kitchens. Plus, you spend your time in between locations together. You'll want to hire hard workers who feel connected to the community and show your appreciation with good pay and benefits. Food trucks can often benefit from purchasing ingredients on a per-event basis. Develop tight relationships with your food suppliers. Do a test run with family and friends to make sure your equipment is working, you have the right ratio of ingredients, and your software is working so you can make money. Once your operations are set, it's time to roll out your menu, pricing, packaging, locations, and anything else you can test. The more information you can collect, the more you'll be able to improve your business. Try different locations and audiences. Maybe there's an untapped late-night crowd, work rush, or special event. Use those wheels. Once you've found your groove, expand. You could add to your fleet, open a new truck concept, or grow to a brick-and-mortar shop. Food trucks are scrappy, innovative, and loaded with potential. Take the first step to opening your own food truck by getting our food truck business plan template with the QR code or the link below.